front of me is Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. You need to start by going into Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Over here. Now select All Services and scroll to click on Autofill with Google section. Finally, after tapping on Google Password Manager, select Accounts at the bottom left corner and click on Add Password at the top. Then input all of the informations. If you can't see any of those options though, that means that you never added a password before. You need at least one to make them visible, so now I will show you how to fix it. First, go into Settings at the bottom right corner. Then make sure Author to Save Passwords option is enabled. Following that, exit Settings and launch one of your apps you need to log into. I always go with Facebook. Log in and wait for the pop-up to show up. Then select Save at the bottom right corner of it. And with your password safe, go back to Autofill with Google to click on Google Password Manager again. As you can see, my password is here. Now you can finally tap on Add Password at the top and input all of those informations to add it manually. At the top, type in any website or click on Select App and click on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!